Smartlet is based ERP for distribution and service industry, involves sales management, commercial management and service management to help organizations to achieve company targets and customer satisfaction. Sales management involves general sales, FE sales, spares sales. General sales flows involves inquiry, starts with an inquiry, converts into a quotation, then finally with customer confirmation it is finally converted into an order profile. Sales quotations can be generated with advanced features like image display of the products and with the specifications of the brochure from the specific principles, and quotation goes through approval process. FE sales process involves FE order profile, claim form, installation, and finally the commission. And commercial management includes purchases, deliveries, and invoices and stores. Purchase process starts with the order profile, moves to the purchase department as order confirmation. From there, DC to finally to invoice. Service management includes AMCs, complaint registers, logistic registers, customer service, warranty claims, and finally operational verifications. AMC important part of the AMC is through the increases. Main objective of AMC process is to increase pending invoices, converting them into general invoices, and optimizing the revenue generations. And complaint service, complaint register increases the customer satisfaction level through by categorizing and streamlining the process. AMC service types include general services, AMC services, warranty services, non-warranty services, installation services, calibration services, and PM preventive maintenance calls. Supporting modules includes operations management, HR management, internal purchase management, and finally finance modules is completely end-to-end, completes with generation of profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and trial balance. And operation management includes receivables, payables, general expenses, BG and EMD process, cancellations, and HR process has its attendance management with device integrations, leave registry, leave management, loss of pay calculations, payroll generations, and finally employees and their salary processing. Internal purchase involves purchases, internal stocks, fixed assets, and stocks, internal ledgers, internal stock and hands. Finally, coming to accounts, journal entry, journal ledgers, ledger mapping with respect to tax, and day sheet generation. Operation process involves day sheet generation through cash flow statement and customer reconciliation process, and VAT generation, purchases, input VAT, output VAT generations, purchase registry, sales registry, TDS, and commercial process includes dispatched item, PO items, received items, stores, call registry for And accounting process includes balance sheet generation, P&L and statement, trial balance. And service report includes call registry. Management process includes latest follow-up, quotation expiry, latest sales activities. Management KPIs and reporting process includes invoice outstanding statement, pending supplier payments, invoice outstanding aging analysis, sales, daily sales statement, MIDS, MPDS, commercial daily delivery deviations, services, call status matrix. With the multi-branching options, service and distribution ERP makes a complete end-to-end ERP which includes accounting package, accounting as well as taxes. It is supported by the SmartLattice platform, which has built-in documentation management system and approval management system.